to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. And Demi. We're doing a high beginner lesson today for a dance called I Ain't Sayin'. 32 counts, 4 walls. Choreographer is Ed Evangelista. The music is I Ain't Sayin' by Jordan Davis. Here we go. Here's a preview of the steps. Starting on the diagonal, the right foot, forward, touch left, back, touch right, then a step together, step, touch on the diagonal. Now on the other one, step, touch, touch, step, together, step. This time we do a brush with the right, brush into a jazz box quarter with a brush and a jazz box in place with a brush and a toe strut and a toe strut and a V step. That's it. Let's break it down. First 8, starting with the right foot on the diagonal, forward, right, touch left, go back with the left, diagonal, touch right, and forward, step together, step, touch. Starting with the right foot, step together, step, touch. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the next 8, we do it to the left side. So we're going to go on that diagonal with the left foot, step forward, touch right, step back, touch left, diagonal forward, step together, step. Now we're going to finish this with a brush with the right foot, brush. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third 8, your foot's up from the brush. So we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn over your right shoulder with a brush, and then a jazz box in place with a brush. So it looks like this. Your foot's up. Cross, step, back, step, side with a brush. Cross, step, back, step, side with a brush. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Fourth 8, we're facing 3 o'clock. We go forward doing toe strut or a toe heel, toe, step on it, other side, toe, step on it, and a V step, out, out, in, making a V on the floor. So the last 8 looks like this, toe, strut, out, out, in. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Good job. Oh, you're back. You probably want another treat. She likes treats. Let's put it all together from the top on the diagonals. 5, 6, 7 with your touches. Step, touch, step, touch, step, together, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, together, step, brush, jazz, box, turn with a brush, jazz, box in place with a brush, toe, heel, V. That's it, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. No tags, no restarts. Wall 2, here we go. Starting with your touches. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. No tags, no restarts. High beginner dance. I ain't saying. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Have a great day. You deserve it.